elephant walks like this and that, like this and that, like this and that. An elephant walks like this and that. Hello. Ha. Clap for me. Clap, 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 clap. That's nice. I'm the mighty elephant. I'm the biggest animal. Woo. And when I'm around, all the others were so small. So are you?
Hi, Mr. Elephant.
Who are you?
Can you just move a little? I'm walking. Click, 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 click.
Can't you see? It's me, the elephant. I'm the most powerful animal alive.
That may be so, but you know what? The hummingbird is more useful.
Who?
The hummingbird?
Who's that?
You don't know the hummingbird?
I can't say I've heard about it. I'm sure it must be something insignificant like you.
Sure. I agree. But then, okay, wait. Since you don't know so many things, I will show you the hummingbird. This is the hummingbird.
What? It's even smaller than you.
But it is something really great. Do you want to hear?
No. Do you want to hear? I am sure. Okay. Mira. Yes, dear. Can you tell me the story of the hummingbird? Sure. And I think, Mr. Elephant, you should hear it too. I told you so. Okay. But if it's boring, I'm going to get up and walk away. So it's me. So once upon a time, in the forest, there were lots of animals. Mighty animals. Huge animals. Leopards, lions, tigers, elephants. And it was a dense forest with tall trees and lots of bushes and grass. Now, you know what happens in summer because the trees rub against each other, right? There will be forest fires. The forest will just catch fire. So one day when all the mighty animals were peacefully living in the forest, there was a smell. It's a forest fire! The deer started running. And soon behind them came the elephants and the mighty carnivores. They all moved to the edge of the forest and the fire started growing. Boom! All the animals were scared. What can we do? We can't do anything. We're just helpless animals. So they stood looking at the forest fire. All our hard work is lost. What can we do? There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. All the animals were crying. Nobody could do anything. They were so scared. At the time, they heard sound. They actually didn't hear because it was so noisy with the fire and the trees crashing. But then it came again. They turned to look. Who was making this interesting, funny sound? It was just the hummingbird, the little bird. The hummingbird must be scared and flying here and there, they thought. But the hummingbird was not doing that. The little hummingbird came with water in its tiny beak. The hummingbird is one of the smallest birds known. So small. So the hummingbird came with water in its tiny beak and went and whoosh, poured it on the fire. Then went back. Flew back. to the river, picked up some more water in its tiny beak. All animals were looking at the hummingbird. "What's wrong with you?" they said. "What can you do? You're just a small bird. The water will evaporate by the time it even reaches the fire." "Stop!" they said. "You're distracting us." "It's okay," said the little hummingbird. "I'm just doing my bit. Probably, if you all do your bit, we may just be able to put off this fire." Then the animals realized that there is something better they can do rather than sit back and cry. All the animals got together. They all rushed to the river, brought the water. The elephant brought the water in its huge trunk, and so did all the other animals. They poured it on the fire, and soon the fire was doused. This is a story which was told by Wangari Maathai, a Nobel Prize winner. I guess all of us can also do our bit, isn't it?